Hi, this is Jason with Preview Construction out of Dallas, Texas, and this is another siding and window quick minute. I got called out on a measurement this week. This particular home had been installed previously with James Hardie. It was installed by the original builder. This is a national home builder that installed these products, and whether the builder just was not in tune to James Hardie best practices, or he just wasn't paying attention to how his installer was putting his materials up, it was just done wrong. Wrong fasteners, wrong material in wrong locations, and oftentimes not using James Hardie material. We've got a situation here where we've actually used the wrong nail on trim, so we're using a siding nail instead of a trim nail, and leaves these awful marks after years of wear and weather. And then over here you can tell that we've got two different types of materials. So we've got James Hardie trim, and then another type of trim that I'm not really familiar with. Up on top here you can see that this builder has decided not to use James Hardie vented soffit, and so he's used James Hardie regular soffit, non-vented, and he's added these aftermarket vents. And you can see over time that these vents get pushed down, things move, you end up with this awful discoloration, and then these gaps. Another area of concern here is that this particular builder has taken James Hardie, they've used siding as fascia, and then as you can see they've finished on and spliced in a piece of material that was the siding. So now we have two dissimilar textured materials right next to each other. This has been another siding and window quick minute. Hit the like button and follow us on YouTube. Thanks.